Have you ever been on a date and was not sure of the do not do's when going on a first date? Okay, date could be going absolutely well, going good. And then all of a sudden you say or do something that you're not supposed to, and then boom, total chaos. Now you're sitting here and then you're just like in an awkward moment, like, should I leave? Should I go? I mean, come on. We've all been there. You've been there. I've been there. So it's your girl, Remi Rene here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring you the top 10 do not do's when going on a first date. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Number 1, do not talk about your ex. This is one of the major things. Like, who wants to hear about your ex? Whether you're talking good, whether you're talking bad about them, it just shows baggage. It just shows you have unresolved issues. And it also shifts the focus away from the moment. And you don't want to do that. Number 2, don't overshare deep personal trauma. Vulnerability is beautiful in time, but when you bring it in too early, too soon, you're going to scare your date away. And I'm pretty sure you want to go on a second date. So I suggest you hold that till later so you'll be able to go on a second date with your date. Number 3, we see this a lot. Do not be glued to your phone. We're heavy on this. Do not be glued to your phone. You see all the time, people are on dates and they're looking at their phone. They're not paying attention to the person in front of you. Doing this, it signals disinterest, and that's real disrespectful. You can't build chemistry with your head being down on your phone. You're either on a date with me or you're on a date with your phone. Point blank, period. Number 4, don't drink too much. Over drinking clouds judgment and lowers filters. 1 drink is okay. 5 drinks, you're asking for a disaster, okay? Number 5, don't be rude to the staff. How you treat the server reflects your character. And also, kindness counts. So if I can't count on you to be kind to the waitress or the person who's bringing out our food, then how are you going to be kind to me? Come on, people. Number 6, don't lie about who you are. Exaggerating your income, your age, your accomplishment won't earn you long-term respect. Number 7, do not talk about only yourself. This is not TikTok, people. Ask questions, listen, and engage, and keep it going. Number 8, do not get too physical forward. Respecting boundaries shows class. Rushing intimacy feels like entitlement, and you don't want to feel that awkward moment because it's not a good feeling. Number 9, do not bring up marriage or kids right away. Even if it's your goal, laying it out too early can feel intense. Let the chemistry build, let the bond begin, and then later on, that can be a conversation, but not on a first date. And finally, last but not least, number 10, don't pretend to be someone you're not. Be authentic, be yourself. Being you is attractive. Being fake is exhausting and definitely unsustainable. You don't want to try to act fake, then trying to be you, and then the real you is trying to be fake, and then it just ends up being you being fake all the way around. And you don't want that, especially if you really like this person and you want this to go somewhere. Just be yourself. Bottom line, you guys, a first date is like an opening act of a concert, not the whole show. Keep it light, respectful, of course, curious, and true to yourself. Everything else will follow through and everything else will go smoothly. So that is all I have for you guys today for the top 10 do not do's on a first date. If you would like to know about the do not do's on a second date, like, share, and subscribe, and my next video will be up soon. Bye.